Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to use super keyword in Java with a very simple programming example. Super keyword is used to access the immediate parent class from the subclass. For example, you have used inheritance and you have inherited the properties of one class into another class. And if you want to access the immediate parent class methods or members, in that case you can use super keyword. There are three ways by which you can use super keyword in Java. First one is to invoke the variables of parent. If you want to invoke the parent's method, you can use super keyword. If you want to invoke the parent's constructor, you can use super keyword. We will see a programming example for each of these. So in the first one, we will try to see how to use a super keyword to invoke the class variable of immediate parent class. So in this case, I have created two class A and class B. Class A has one data member, that is x is equivalent to 10, that is of type integer, and class B is extending class A, that is nothing but the properties of A are inherited into class B in this case. That means this x is equivalent to 10 is also visible in B. But what we did is we have overridden the value of x in derived class by initializing the value of x is equivalent to 20 here. In display method, we are trying to display the value of x here. If I just write x in this case, I will get the value 20. But if I am interested in the value of x, that is the parent's value of x, I have to use super.x. So what will happen in this case is, if I use super.x, the parent data member will be accessed. The value of parent data member is 10, that will be displayed to me. So that is how you can access or invoke parent data member in this case. Coming back to the second one, the super keyword is used to access the class methods of immediate parent class. For example, in this case again we have created two classes, class A and class B. Class A has a method called as fun, and we are trying to extend A into B, and within this particular B I have written fun, the same function with some different body here. Now if I try to access this particular fun function with the help of object of class B, I will get this particular method. But for some reason I want to access this one, that is the parent class fun function. In such case I have to use super.fun. If I use super.fun, the parent class fun will be called rather than the class B fun in this case. So that is the second way in which we can use the super keyword. The first method we can use to access the parent data member. Second one is used to access the parent method in this case. The third one is the super keyword can be used to invoke immediate parent class constructor. For example, again we have created two classes, class A and class B. Class A has a constructor called as A and class B has a constructor called as B in this case. The properties of A are extended in B in this case. Now the question is, whenever I create an object of B, the class B constructor will be called. I want to access or I want to call this particular class A constructor also. So in such case I have to add or I have to use this particular super keyword. That is, whenever I create an object of this particular class B's constructor will be called for sure. So within this particular class B's constructor body, I have to add super function. So it will call super class constructor in this case. So these are the three ways in which we can use super keyword. One is used to invoke the parent class data member. Second one is used to parent class method, and the third one is used to invoke the parent class constructor here. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.